Alright, it's time to get the Cadillac running. Get it out of the garage so I can clean up. It's been, I don't know, 4 months maybe? I don't remember. It's a cold start, but it's really hot outside, so does that count? Hook up the battery. Sure, I'll have to pour a little gas in the carburetor. We'll see if that'll be enough. Uh-oh. Battery doesn't appear to be hooked up. There we So I don't know if I told you this, but she backfired something fierce and blew up the muffler. One of the mufflers, brand new muffler at that. So running on straight pipes on one side. Started up pretty good, idling fine. It's just loud. Let's see if we can get you a better angle here. Let's see if it'll actually make its way out of the garage. Alright, let me put the lid back on. Now I've got some room to work. Oh, she's losing a little bit of transmission fluid. Well, actually a lot of transmission fluid. Alright. Another problem for another day.